Hello. Let's solve CAT 2024 slot 1 quantitative ability questions. Okay. So, there are 22 questions. Let's see one by one. Okay. Now, the surface area of a closed rectangular box which is inscribed in a sphere is 846 square centimeter, right, and the sum of the lengths of the edges is 144 centimeter. The volume in the cubic centimeter of the sphere is, right. Okay. So, basically a rectangular box with a cuboid, right, it is inscribed in a sphere. So, it is like a box it's like a rectangular box. Let us say this is the length, this is the breadth and this is the height, okay, and it is inscribed in a sphere. I am just drawing a cross section of the sphere. So, let us say this is a cross section of the sphere. It is inscribed in a sphere, right, okay, and surface area of the closed box, right, is closed box. So, we know that surface area is 2 times LB plus LH plus BH. This is the surface area and this is given as 846. Let us call it equation number 1, okay, and we are given that sum of all edges, right, total edges are 12, right, okay, the length is 4 times, okay, breadth is 4 times and height is 4 times. So, we are given that 4 times length plus breadth plus height, okay, and this is given as 144, okay, or from here we can say length plus breadth plus height will be 144 by 4, right. So, it will be 4 3 are 12, 4 6 are 24, 36, right. Let us call it number 2, okay. What we want? We want the volume of this, volume in cubic centimeter of the sphere. Now, you see if you join the body diagonal, right, okay. So, this corner to that corner. So, if you join the diagonal, right, okay. So, diagonal will be the twice the radius, diagonal of the this box, rectangular box, cuboid, diagonal will be the diameter of the sphere, right, which is diameter is twice the radius. So, basically we have twice the radius, right. So, we know that square of diagonal, right. So, twice the radius, right, twice the radius whole square, okay, diagonal square will be length square plus breadth square plus the height square, right, okay. Let us try to find the value of L square plus B square plus H square, right. Now, from here we can say that, now let us see, we can say that L square plus B square, L square plus B square plus H square will be equal to, it is like A square plus B square plus C square, right. We can write it as L plus B plus H the whole square, right, minus 2 times LB plus LH plus BH. Now, so this will be equal to L plus B plus H whole square, that will be 36 square, right. This is 36 square minus 2 times LB plus LH plus BH, right. That value already we have here 846. So, minus 846. So, this will be 36 square is 1296, 1296 minus 846. So, it is 450, right. So, from here we got L square plus B square plus H square is 450, right. So, this we have 450, right, okay. Now, so from here we can say 2r square is 450, which is you see 225 into 2. Now taking square root of both side, okay, 225 is a perfect square, so 15 square, right. So we can see that 2r is equal to 15 root 2, right. So 2r equals to 15 root 2 we can say, right. Okay. Now let us see. So 2r is 15 root 2. We have to find the volume of the sphere. Now the volume of the sphere is 4/3 pi r cube, right. 4/3 pi r cube, and we can write it as pi by 3, okay, pi by 3 4r cube. So we can write it as 2r square and into 1r, right. Okay. So 4r square I am writing as 2r square into r. Okay. So now you see here pi by 3 2r square 2r whole square, right. We can write as 450, right. This we can write as 450 and into r I can write it from here, okay, or let's multiply by 2 to the numerator and denominator, right. So we can write it as 4/3 2r square, and this I can write into r, which I can write 2r by 2 is the same thing, it will be r, and 2r I can write 15 root 2. So this will be 15 root 2 and by 2, okay. So now you see this will go 150 times, and 150 will go by 2, 75 into 15, right. So 75 into 15, 15 5 ja 75, 15 7 ja 105 and plus 7 112, right. So 1125 pi root 2, right. So the answer is 1125 1125 pi root 2, right. So which you see the option 1, right. Okay. So I hope this is clear. Okay.